Blessed morning, everyone. So this is Group 3 and we will be reporting about the hyperemia and congestion. So hyperemia. So what is hyperemia? Hyperemia is an increased amount of blood in the vessels of an organ or tissue in the body. So it can affect many different organs including the liver, heart, skin, eyes, and brain. So there are two types of hyperemia, the active hyperemia and passive hyperemia. So, active hyperemia is caused by an increased blood flow to a specific area or the dilatation of blood vessels resulting in the increased blood flow, while passive hyperemia is the slowing down of venous return.
Congestion, passive process resulting in impaired outflow of venous blood. We have two types of causes. Systematic, due to congestive heart failure, congestion occur in living spleen and kidneys. Local, congestion of leg veins due to deep venous thrombosis, edema of lower extremity, congestion at various sites due to compression of veins. Example is tight bandage and plasters. Acute congestion, developed during shock or sudden right-sided heart failure, may occur in lung or liver. Chronic passive congestion. Hyperemic tissues are rather than normal because of accumulation of oxygenated blood. Congested tissue have blue-red color or they call it cyanosis due to accumulation of deoxygenated blood.
Hyperemia and congestion are two separated conditions, but they both occur to increase blood volume within the tissue, though they occur for the same reason, that is increased blood volume within the tissue. They have different underlying mechanism and consequence. Hyperemia. Hyperemia is the process in the hyperemia arteries get dilated, for example, in skeletal muscle during exercise or at the site of inflammation. When the artery is dilated, there is increase in the blood flow to the tissues. When the blood flow to the tissue is increased, the tissue turns red. That is erythema. Is produced the redness is because of increased supply of oxygenated blood to the tissue. In this picture, we know what is capillary. A capillary is small vessel that cover from the blood, from the arterioles to the minerals. So capillary has an anterior end, and then veins hint usually with the apex artery using red color, and then veins using blue color. In this picture, we can see that hyperemic condition, the capillary is more of red color due to increased oxygenated blood supply due to dilation of the arterioles and hyperemic condition. Here the supply of oxygenated blood is increased, therefore hyperemia is active process. Now, let's see about congestion. Congestion is a passive process. We have C hyperemia is an active process. Congestion is a passive process. Congestion occurs due to reduced outflow of blood from the tissue into the vein. The blood that outflow from the tissue into the vein is deoxygenated blood. So, when the outflow of deoxygenated blood into the vein is reduced, them to the tissue turns blue-red color. That is cyanose. It causes of cyanosis. As the deoxygenated blood gets accumulated in the tissue, congestion is a passive process. In this picture, we can see that is capillary more of blue color due to accumulation of deoxygenated blood in hyperemia. We have seen the capillary is more of red color due to accumulation of oxygenated blood. I hope you understand the difference between the hyperemia, congestion, and congested tissue. That is, the tissue which undergo congestion is congested tissue. When the congested tissue capillary ruptures, there occurs catabolism of red blood cell, leading to increased cluster of hemosiderin lead in macrophage. As a result, there is increase into the hyperemetic pressure.
The main symptoms of hyperemia are redness, warmth. Other symptoms depend on the cause of the problem. Heart failure symptoms include shortness of breath, coughing or wheezing, swelling in the belly, legs, ankles, or feet caused by fluid buildup, fatigue, loss of appetite, nausea, confusion, fast heartbeat. DVT symptoms include swelling and redness in the leg, pain, warmth. HVT symptoms include pain in the upper right side of your abdomen, swelling in your legs and ankles, cramps in your legs and feet, itching.